Good afternoon. Good afternoon, and thank you, Mr. Chairman and committee members. My name is Joseph Ciccolo. I'm the founder and president of BitAML, based here in Roseville, California. We are a regulatory compliance consultancy serving the crypto financial services industry since 2015. Over the past 8 years, we've worked with hundreds of crypto financial services providers, including kiosk operators. Crypto kiosks in California are subject to robust regulation at the federal level to ensure that these businesses operate in a safe and secure manner. These regulations help to prevent, detect, and deter illicit transactions while also providing protection for consumers. This is why, as pointed out in the analysis, the most recent crime report conducted by Chainalysis, a blockchain forensics software vendor utilized by federal and national security agencies, highlights that only 1% of fraud and scam cases in the crypto ecosystem are conducted via a crypto kiosk. Among others, crypto kiosk companies must comply with the Bank Secrecy Act, or BSA. Under BSA, these companies must verify the identity of their customers, retain customer and transaction records, train all employees on anti-money laundering, and undergo regular independent audits and federal examinations conducted by the IRS. These and many more regulatory requirements and compliance expectations are enforced by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN, a bureau of the U.S. Treasury. Kiosk operators must detect, investigate, and report potential suspicious and/or unusual activity by filing suspicious activity reports, or SARs, with FinCEN. To quote the Secret Service, whose field teams operate a financial crimes task force, quote, "Blockchain is an amazing opportunity to track the flow of money," end quote. Customer and transaction records maintained by kiosk operators, including surveillance pictures of the customer, can be shared with law enforcement in a matter of seconds. The operators we work with and represent want to make sure consumers feel safe using their machines, and we support a licensing regime specific to California. However, we think that there are other protections that could be considered and that have been offered, which will actually protect consumers as opposed to barring these machines from operating in our state.